Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Adebisidios Raphael, a graduate student of Technology Management in North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University. My case study today is about data airline on radio frequency technology, which is also known as RFID implementation in terms of mishandled baggages. First of all, I would like to talk about a brief introduction on data airline. It is typically known as Delta, which is one of the major airlines in the United States of America and a legal carrier. It was actually founded in 1925 as Off and Darland Dusters, and it became Delta in 1928, with its headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States of America. Delta has served over 200 million people in a year, taking customers to different countries, up to about 300 destinations in over 50 countries. Delta believes that their social responsibility lies at the intersection of core values and core competencies, making a difference in communities where our employees live, work, and fly by giving time, talent, and 1% of the company's annual profit. My next slide is talking about the reason for an uptick, which is also known as increase of mishandled bags in the year 2007 after deploying the RFID, also known as radio frequency identification, in the year 2006. Delta spent, or let me use the word invested, about $50 million in RFID tags, which allowed the airline to automatically track individual bags via the 5,000-ton RFID readers located in over 344 airports. This system allows Delta to easily detect errors and resolve it before the customer gets to know. Actually, there was an increase in the year 2007 after the RFID technology has started full operation in Delta Airline when compared to Virgin Airline in that same year. And the reasons are: one, bag gets delayed when bad weather force tight connections or passengers are rerouted onto new flights. If a Delta airline connects onto a flight with a Delta partner such as Air France, the traditional barcode tag takes over the final leg of the journey. However, an Air France passenger connecting to a Delta flight gets a RFID sticker added to the traditional tag when luggage first entered Delta's possession. Bags checked at the gate and claimed at a baggage carousel, but items such as strollers or bags checked at the gate for regional checks, those picked up at the arrival gate currently aren't tracked with the RFID. Also, installing RFID didn't solve all of Delta's problem, but the airline recorded a 10% reduction in delayed bags that same year when compared to the previous year. And as we all know, for that same year, Virgin Air was still leading the table when compared to Delta Airline. After the heavy investment Delta Airline has made, they still trade behind Virgin. After the heavy investment Delta Airline has made, they still trade behind Virgin Airline by a significant margin in this category of mishandled bags. As of 2016, when Delta had 2.72 of mishandled bags out of 1,000 bags passengers, Virgin Air had just 1.03. The secrets of this great success are: one, Virgin Air started the use of RFID before Delta. Virgin Atlantic baggages policy and fees is the clearest and a lot easier when compared with other airlines. It's relatively cheap. Their pricing structure is uniform for every route they fly. Virgin Air has less passengers flying with them this period when compared to Delta. Virgin Atlantic primarily has long-haul flights, which makes it one of the few airlines that offer free baggages in most fares except economic light. Note, for this particular year, economic light baggage goes for just $60. Virgin Atlantic has greater ability to comply with the anticipated guidelines from EASA, which is the European Aviation Safety Agency, concerning traceability, authenticity of aircraft components. The unique measures implemented by each of these aircraft to reduce mishandled bags is, okay, let me put it this way: apart from RFID technology to improve baggage handling, other unique measures implemented by airlines include the following: which is the artificial intelligence baggage tags. Airport authorities save passengers during check-in session. The bags, while being weighed, are assigned a bag tag with the passenger details on it. The tags, powered with the artificial intelligence, which is the AI, employ an RFID tagging system. The information from the airport's database is then coupled with the one in the bag's tags to track a passenger's luggage. Then the second one is the two-way communication. Baggage handling system, which is BHS, have predefined message format based on the IATA rules. AI floor plans, which is the image recognition and surveillance tapes from the closed-circuit television, which is also known as the CCTV cameras, are used to study the interiors of the airport. Pattern recognition. Pattern learning algorithms are applied on previous records of baggage mishandling. This study gives an insight into the principal cause of baggage loss and damages. Besides, this study allows finding appropriate remedies to reduce similar problems in the future. And the last but not the least is the baggage claim. At the baggage carousel, mechanized robots are employed to automate the process of baggage claim. These robots can read these bag tags and, after comparing them with the information in the database, match the passenger with their luggage. And this is an update of the figure 5.1 we were given in this case study brief. I have here with me the updates of the Delta Airline mishandled baggage reports per 1,000 from July 2014 to the most recent, which is for December 2020, which is 3.31. And also here on my slide, I'm also having an update of the Virgin Airline mishandled baggage report per 1,000 passengers from July 2014 to July 2017, and from July 2018 to December 2020, there was no report given from the website of the US Department of Transportation. And also, this is the third one I'm talking about, which is the Alaska Airline, which is also the updates of the mishandled baggages from the year July 2014 to December 2020, and also for United Airlines from July 2014 to December 2020. And my findings in comparing the mishandled baggages of Delta, Virgin Airlines, Alaska, and United Airlines. First of all, for Delta Airlines from July 2014 to July 2018, they maintained a good score, which was between 1.77 to 2.72, and became worse the following year, which was 5.36. For Virgin Airlines, this is the best in these categories when compared to other airlines in terms of mishandled baggages, having its highest mishandled baggage in the year July 2017 with 1.96, when others are having 2.86 like United Airlines that same year. And from the table, it is obvious that no record of mishandled baggage was recorded from July 2018 till date. For Alaska Airlines, in December 2019, the number of mishandled baggage was on the high side with 772, and there was a great improvement in the following year and recorded 2.43 in July 2020. The company performed well within the year July 2016 to July 2017, but before and after this period, their performance was poor when compared to other airlines in this category. And also for United Airlines, this airline service in terms of mishandled baggage is the poorest in this category, most especially in the year 2019. From my own study, personally, I believe this airline should be avoided. Yes, United Airlines. And from my own study also, the measures to reduce mishandled bags could be use of an automated stacking equipment, to reduce labor required to identify shipments and increase warehouse efficiency, and also for quick and fast transfer time through the warehouse. Then 2, high mobility in ULD, which is unit load device, battery life, and power. This will eventually increase cost, and investors should remember that there is return on investment which comes in quickly. 3, creation of standard and integrated systems among the airline industry. An RFID chip can store more information than just a barcode without full network and industry-wide standards. An RFID tag is more an addition to a barcode replacement. 4th, using the pilot project as a door opener to daily operation is a great way to enhance data value. When RFID is integrated into an airline business system, it can generate a long return on investment. Answer my reference. This is also my reference. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time.